Sawadika! Sorry we're late. I have the 11:30 appointment.
You booking already yet?
Yes. So I have... Alright guys, so we're here for our next beauty treatment at Lana Clinic. I don't know if I caught it in the video, but she said that we have to go get something to eat because this drip is apparently intense and we need food in our bellies. You said you were going to. No, I feel like we need to stop back there before lunch, just a little bit. I feel like that a little bit. Hopefully we're not here long. Yeah. Hopefully she just get her done and then we out. So yeah, we're just gonna grab like a cracker or some snacks or something so that we have something on our belly for the Ivy. She got this. She's had kids before. This is nothing. Ooh. Oh, it's on my... Oh, sit down. Okay. Oh, my arm. So this is the last of some beauty services that we are getting since my bae is going to be flying out today. So we saved the best for last. If you did not know, I do not like needles. I am telling you now. Oh, I just did not want to look. Just tried not to look. I was just like, go ahead. I'm going to record it, but like, go ahead. Just do what you got to do. Okay. As long as you find the vein, we good. Because I'm anemic. So sometimes it'd be hard. But she found it super easy. Okay.
Oh, yay. I did it.
Okay. And do you cry when your kids get shots? Do you cry when your kids get shots? Not no more? What are you like 25 shots in at this point? So it's like, get this shot and shut up. That don't surprise me. And those two younger two are troopers, okay? Jeez.
Okay.
Oh, yay. I did good. All right. Our first little meal came out. Chantel's crab, green chili, fried rice. Green curry, fried rice. I'm waiting for you to taste it. That should look hot as fuck.
Yes, it is.
You didn't even put no crab on there. Get a piece of that big ass crab. That one right there. That one right there. All right.
That penis from Maryland.
It's not from Maryland.
You know anything from these people is good. That's terrible.
Anything from these people is good. Yeah, thank you. They coming. Y'all know I got the garlic butter on the side. So I got prawns and shrimp and corn. And it is in a Singaporean black pepper sauce. So I'm excited. I kind of want to eat the pepper, but I kind of don't. Baby, when I tell you I ate everything on my plate that could be eaten outside of the shells on those crabs, oh my gosh, it was so good. I don't normally get the lemon butter garlic sauce. I normally get something that's spicy, but I wasn't really in that kind of mood. So the lemon butter garlic was good. Lemon butter, got me just salivating thinking about it. Y'all, we finished everything. Everything done. Everything. Gone. Finito. It was delicious. How was your food?
Spectacular. Give me 14,000 more.
We'll be back. We'll be back. They said they were out of crabs today, which is why I just got shrimp and prawns. But I love that they told us that instead of selling us something that was really tiny. So I'm appreciative. So we're going to come back. Y'all, our final lunch. I'm going to miss her. Don't leave me. I don't like your kids so much. I say, them kids.
I want to stay just for that.
Bye. Love you. She's leaving me, you guys. Look at her. She's leaving me. I'm gonna cry. Sorry, she can't go. I'm all alone again. Just like that. I'm all alone. And I instantly feel sad. Ish. Okay, so I have the massage therapist coming to the house today. I got this scarf on my head because I need to take my braids out, but she's gonna be here. She's actually already here. So I'm just taking a little break. We get started at 6:30. She's gonna be doing it upstairs in my apartment. So yeah, come with me to get a massage in my house. Yeah. Oh yeah, that was the massage. Okay, don't melt my head. Okay, but it was so good. It was so good. I didn't even record it because I was just like so in the moment. Oh, it was everything. That massages at the crib. That's gonna be a whole new thing. It's a whole new problem. You gotta put that in the budget from now on, okay?